Hey everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and in this video I will be watching the newly dropped trailer for Indian 2. Yes, and this trailer has released in various languages. I'm going to be watching the Tamil trailer, and a lot of us has been waiting for this particular trailer because the first movie is really an emotion, and there are a lot of expectations riding on this second one as well, because also the gap between the two movies is so huge, so that nostalgia factor is obviously there. So how different is it going to be from the first one? Of course, because this is a film by Shankar, so we kind of know the beats, but yeah, very much looking forward film's release. So yeah, let's not delay this any further. Let's watch this trailer right away.
ஊராடா இது? படிப்புக்கேத்த வேலை இல்ல, வேலைக்கேத்த சம்பளம் இல்ல, கட்டுற டாக்ஸ்க்கு தகுந்த ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ் கிடைக்கிறது இல்ல. திருடுறவன் திருடிட்டு தான் இருக்க போறான், தப்பு செய்யறவன் தப்பு செஞ்சுட்டு தான் இருப்பான்.
நம்மளாம் ஆளாளுக்கு ஊரை குறை சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருக்கும். சிஸ்டம் சரியில்லை, சரி பண்ணணும் வாய்க்குள்ளே பேசுவோம். ஆனா அது சரி செய்யறதுக்கு ஒரு துரும்ப கூட கிள்ளி போடுறது இல்ல. We are just barking dogs. அதனால தான் கத்திக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். இவங்க எல்லாரையும் கடிச்சு கொதற ஒரு ஹண்டிங் டாக் வரணும்.
ஓகே,
அப்படி யாரா இருக்கா?
இருந்தாரு
சேனாபதி.
Indian.
Oh, Nedumudi Venu. Oh, so good to see him, man.
Freedom fighter.
என்ன கர்மம் சார் இது?
கர்மம் இல்ல, வர்மம்.
More emphasis on martial arts kind of action.
அவர் திரும்பி வரணும். ஒரு தப்பு செஞ்சா அதுகிட்ட இருந்து தப்பிக்க முடியாதுன்ற பயம் வரணும்.
Okay, these are all the bad dudes.
முடிக்காம போன ஒரே ஒரு கேஸ் சேனாபதி.
பேசாம இவனை ஆன்டி இந்தியன் அறிவிச்சிடலாமா?
சின்ன வயசுல நேர்மை தவறக்கூடாது, பொய் சொல்லாத, திருடாதன்னு நீங்க தானே சொல்லி தந்தீங்க. வளர்ந்த அப்புறம் இதெல்லாம் செஞ்சாதான் வாழ முடியும்னு சொல்றீங்க.
இது இரண்டாவது சுதந்திர போர். காந்திய வழியில நீங்க, நேதாஜி வழியில நான்.
Well, his character is itself inspired from Subhash Chandra Bose. Oh, okay. That would be an interesting sequence.
ஓடவும் முடியாது, ஒளியவும் முடியாது. டாம் அண்ட் ஜெர்ரி ஆட்டம் ஆரம்பிச்சிருச்சு.
Tom and Jerry. Okay. Okay, interesting. I have thoughts. Okay. So this was, I think we kind of know the beats of this film, because initially, and this is kind of the, the director's template that at least I know of, where we see that initially, mostly I feel that the first half of the film is going to focus on how the system is so broken, and whatever we do, nothing gets done, everything, like in every aspect there's corruption and so deep rooted. Also, the citizens, they try to use the power of social media, but whatever they try, they don't succeed, because there is, people sitting at the power, they are only very corrupt. So obviously the trickle down effect is also there. So it is the common people who suffer, and no matter how much you voice your opinion on social media, and we see this is the reality, right? We see something bad which happens and we see the system failure, we always talk about it, like we do we comment on social media. There are so many YouTubers who make videos on those topics, but then what is the action that gets done? Maybe because of public pressure, certain action gets taken, and then everything fizzles out, right? We have seen this happen. So obviously they are very frustrated that nothing is getting done. So we are just barking dogs, but we need a hunting dog. That's what Siddharth says. and that's when Senapati's character entry happens. Now, maybe it's just me, but if I'm looking at, like, when I'm comparing, Kalki is gonna release, right? And you see Kamal Hassan's makeup there. You just see the prosthetics and the makeup there, and because of that, maybe the makeup over here, like his the old man makeup and everything, his different avatars in a way, that looks a little bit odd to me. Like it's not looking realistic is what I mean. It's not looking realistic. So that is the fault of the makeup department, like whoever has done the prosthetics and everything. So it's looking a little bit odd, and it's not looking real. At least to my eyes, it's not looking real. Now, if you see whoever's done his makeup and prosthetics for Kalki, he's unrecognizable. He's freaking unrecognizable. So that's how it's like it's real. It looks real. Here, that is not looking very, very real. So I feel that could be a hindrance for the audience, because when the makeup and when the prosthetics are not done well, it just becomes an eyesore. And he's like, I mean, that's Senapati's character. You cannot go wrong with Senapati's character, be it the outfits, the action. Now, even for Indian, if I talk about the original one, we have a lot of nostalgia and emotion attached to it. And I would say the action for the first one also was quite different for that particular year. And here also, I am very much willing to see how the action is going to be executed. We kind of get a hint that there's going to be a lot of martial arts involvement. Then with that unicycle over there, that's going to be an interesting chase sequence. I love a good chase sequence. And the production looks huge. This looks not that was not very massy and commercial, even that was, but this also looks much more larger than life. My only skepticism here is that just because you want to show everything, don't spoil it. Like it's the same thing. Now, recently I had watched this Malayalam film, Malayali from India. Now that film also had really good intent, but it just tried to do so many things that the execution was like, it missed the point. Like it was like, okay, we have to cover this. While looking at this trailer, I feel that they are also like, Shankar is also trying to do, okay, no, we need to cover this. We need to hit all the check boxes. And I hope because of that, the storytelling shouldn't suffer. Though that's too soon to judge. We will wait for the release. Just by looking at the trailer, my only disappointment is the makeup that has been given by Kamal Hassan. But rest of it, I'm very much looking forward to that, how different it is going to be from the first one. And because Senapati's character is iconic. It's, the inspiration for the entire character is taken by Subhash Chandra Bose, and he is also of those ideals. So yes, I am definitely, and the martial arts thing, I'm definitely looking forward to that. Now, when it comes to trailer cut, how I found the trailer, I would say it's a mixed bag for me, because in such massy films, like with Kamal Hassan, like I have seen much superior kind of trailer. Like just comparing this with the intro video of Thug Life, the intro video of Thug Life, when Kamal Hassan was introduced in the first video, pure chills and goosebumps. So that way, this trailer, I found it a little underwhelming, though I'm still very excited to watch the film. I'm still very, very excited to watch the film because, like I said, Indian, the first one, there's a lot of nostalgia and emotional connect that a lot of audiences, including me, have. So there is no way that I am not going to watch the second one. Hopefully I can catch it, because there's a lot going on in my life also. So, but I'm gonna take out time. Anyway, that was the reaction. You let me know what are your thoughts for this particular trailer. I feel that they gave out too much. That they gave, we kind of got the beats of the entire film. I would have loved some mystery. Like you can see his different looks, and that's fine. You can reveal those, but there's no sense of mystery in the trailer for me. So I would have loved that. But yeah, anyway, that's how the movie is. We will see. We'll wait and see whenever it releases. So yeah, that was the reaction to Indian 2 trailer. You guys can let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And with that, I will end this video here, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.